Severe tension erupted in the Agartala court complex on Wednesday as a massive crowd of Kathaltali residents and family members of deceased Samir Das staged an aggressive demonstration demanding punishment for the accused.
বাচ্চারা
The commotion began when family members and locals gathered inside the court premises to catch a glimpse of the arrested suspect brought for the production. Citing security protocols and rising tempers, security personnel forcibly evicted the family and protesters from the courtroom buildings. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khurang.